Like, all this excitement has got me thirsty. Like, I was thirsty for SwiftUI, I didn't even know it. We about to lubricate that throat. Lubricate that throat. I'm the thetealpickle, and welcome to my space on the internet. Hi. Hello. I'm the thetealpickle everywhere. Feel free to internet stalk me, but don't be creepy. Say hi. Hi. So, SwiftUI is literally a whole new ecosystem of Apple development. It changes the way we architect and design our views, in addition to how we handle data flow through our views. The very essence of a view has been changed and altered and flipped on top of its head and cut in half and simplified and made declarative and handed back to us like, bam, here you go, what you need. SwiftUI takes what we design and also translates it to code at the same damn time. It's amazing. It is freaking amazing. It's amazing. Like, wow. Y'all did that. Okay. Huh. 2014, Apple released Swift, and Swift was really designed to handle a lot of the issues that developers are having with Objective-C. And so Swift, they dropped Swift, they're like, bam, it's intuitive, it's type safe, it's powerful, here you go, develop your Apple products. So we got iOS, watchOS, tvOS, macOS, and coming this fall to the general public, iPadOS. But if you're a developer and you have beta access, you can go ahead and just download that on beta and play with that now. Which is like, iPadOS is literally like Apple's whole path to making the iPad literally a miniature laptop. Just saying. An iPad shouldn't need 1 terabyte of memory unless you plan on having applications on there that require almost that much amount of memory. I saved that theory for another video. Technically, really only a matter of time until Apple was like, okay, like, we should create a UI framework. UI, for those of you who don't know, user interface. UI framework with Swift that's optimized for Swift that was created using Swift, right? But still, it was sort of just like, wow. Like, y'all really did that. Like, it's amazing. One juicy SwiftUI example, list table views. So let's say you want to add a table view into your screen, into your view. Without SwiftUI using UIKit, you gotta go ahead, you gotta conform to the table view data source protocol, you gotta implement the 3 required methods, and that's like your basis, right? But may the Lord help you if you need a custom or want a custom cell, because then you gotta create a class for that one too, you gotta connect your IB outlets, then you gotta do the referencing, and don't forget the cell identifier, right? You gotta make sure you add that cell identifier to that cell in Storyboard. Like, there is just so much stuff you gotta do just to get a basic list, right? But with SwiftUI, 2 seconds. SwiftUI says you have your 1 cell, right? Your 1 cell, 1 data, and you're like, okay, take this, put it in a list. SwiftUI is like, you want it in a list? Bam, bitch, you got it in a list. Literally 2 seconds. Literally take that rabbit and it's in a, oh, it's amazing. And then with SwiftUI, you have preview. So we're already like familiar with like the assistant editor and like previewing, but SwiftUI takes it to a whole new level because you're not, with that one preview that you're designing, you don't have to keep building your project, waiting for it to load in the simulator, install on the device. You're literally seeing a preview of that view as you're building it right there with SwiftUI. And then with SwiftUI, as you're designing it on the view, it's showing up in the code. As you're coding it up, it's showing up in the view at the same damn time. Like, I need some water, I'm thirsty. I probably destroyed your eardrums with this video. It's not my fault. It's Apple's fault for dropping SwiftUI the way that they did, because it's like, how am I supposed to contain my excitement after they did what they just did? Like, wow. All right. signing off before I start sweating because I feel my armpits getting moist.